So you want to learn about the Scrum Product Owner. In this video, I'll explain the roles and responsibilities of the Product Owner, why the Product Owner is so important, how the Product Owner fits within the Agile Scrum framework, the Product Backlog, the Product Goal, and where to learn more. So let's start with the Scrum Team. The Scrum Team consists of the developers, the Scrum Master, and the Product Owner. The developers, well, that's obvious. They develop things. The Scrum Master is the Scrum Champion, there to promote Scrum and to remove blockages to progress. More on the Scrum Master in another video. And of course, the Product Owner. If there's one thing about the Product Owner to remember, it is that the Product Owner is the value maximizer. So let's jump to the official Scrum Guide to take a closer look. This guide holds almost everything you need to know about Scrum in order to pass your Scrum.org Product Owner and Scrum Master certifications. That is something that you can do fairly easily. More information about that at the end of this video. So, the Product Owner maximizes the value of the product by working closely with the stakeholders and keeping a close eye on the market and gaining a really detailed and clear understanding of what is valuable to the users of the product and what is not. The Product Owner develops and communicates the product goal. The Product Owner role is a leadership role, and in order to lead, you need to have a vision, and to be able to communicate that vision, to be able to lead the team towards achieving it. That vision manifests itself as the product goal, which is then communicated to the whole Scrum team and the organization. With the product goal established, the Product Owner controls progress towards that goal and vision through the Product Backlog. This is a Product Backlog. It is a backlog of work that the Scrum team adds to when they realize they have tasks that need to be completed. And throughout the development, the team get together to refine this backlog, giving detail to those tasks and getting the most important tasks ready with enough detail to begin working on them. The person accountable for the product backlog is the Product Owner. The Product Owner must make sure that the product backlog is transparent, visible, and understood. And of course, as the value maximizer, the person that defines how important a task is of course the Product Owner, because the Product Owner has accountability for the value of the product created and is the one who understands the users and stakeholders' needs the best. The Product Owner will order the items in the backlog to clearly show which ones are the highest priority. It is those high priority tickets, of course, that the developers need to complete. So those are the work items that are considered for the Sprint Backlog. A Scrum Sprint is a time-boxed amount of time that the developers take in order to complete their Sprint Backlog tasks. At the end of that sprint, there is the Sprint Review. This is a chance for the Scrum team to show the stakeholders what has been done in the sprint. It is the Product Owner's chance to take feedback and consider future adaptations. It is also a chance for the Product Owner to consider changes in the environment and adapt the product backlog to meet new opportunities. Some other vital points about the Product Owner. The Product Owner is one person to make the value maximizing decisions. You do not want to have multiple people in that role who conflict on prioritization decisions. The organization needs to respect the Product Owner's decisions. It is a role with a lot of trust and a lot of responsibility. Okay, that mostly covers the Scrum Guide's definition of a Product Owner. However, there is a lot more to it in practice. If you're interested in learning more, then please consider my Udemy course where I explain the Product Owner and Scrum in great detail. I'll provide you with tips and techniques for applying this theory in practice. I cover dealing with stakeholders, creating the product goal, brainstorming, managing development teams, managing the product backlog, user stories, and so much more. And unlike other courses, I even show you how to manage a product backlog using popular online Scrum software such as Jira, Trello, Asana, and others. And I even provide you with hundreds of practice certification Scrum exam questions and tips to help pass your PSPO 1 certification exam really easily, so you can quickly obtain a certification as a product owner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more Scrum related videos and other Management Made Simple related topics. I'm Michael James, and good luck in your career.